Hello friends, today I show you how to append data to JSON file using PHP. Friends, I have one JSON file named employee data in which I have store employee details like game, gender and designation information. Friends, I have create one HTML form. When user will click on submit button, then this information will append into JSON employee data file. Friends, this is my simple page in which I have used JavaScript library jQuery with Bootstrap powerful mobile first front-end framework. Friends, I have already create one simple form with 3 text box: name, gender and designation field. When user click on submit button, I'll fill data to append to JSON employee data file. Now friends, I have moved to PHP code part. First, I have defined 2 variables with name, message and error. Now friends, I want to check user is click on submit button or not. For this I have used set function with parameter submit button. Friends, I want to check all text box are filled or not. First, I write if statement with condition is empty name text box, then error message enter name to store into error variable. After this I have write else if statement with condition is empty gender text box, then I have write error message like enter gender to store into error variable. After this I have write else if statement with condition is empty designation text box, then I have write error message like enter designation and store into error variable. If all above condition is false, then I have write else statement. In this else statement first I check JSON file is exits or not. For this I have write if condition with file exits function with parameter JSON file name. If file not exits, then I have generate one error message like file not exits and store into error variable. Suppose friends, if file exits, then I have create one variable current data in which I will store JSON file data. File data can be get by file get contents function. After getting JSON file data and store into current data variable, now friends, I have convert this current data into array format with help of JSON decode function and store into one array data variable. Now friends, I have create one variable extra in which I have store one array. In array there is 3 key like game, gender and designation. In name key I define name text box value, in gender I define gender text box value, and designation key will store designation text box value. Now friends, form data are stored into this extra variable. Now friends, I want to append this array to array variable data by simply write this code. Now friends, form data array are appended to array data variable. After this I want to convert this array data value to JSON format with help of JSON encode function and store result into final data. Now friends, I have converted array into JSON data format. Now I want to put this data on JSON file. For this I have write if statement with function file put contents function. This function writes string to a file. There is 2 parameter, one is file name and second is data which you want to put into file. If data are successfully write onto file, then I have write one success message like file appended successfully and store into message variable. Now friends, I want to put error and success message onto form. This will display after submission form. I have used set function for display this message. Now friends, I save and check output in browser. Friends, I enter name like John Smith, gender like male and designation like manager and click on submit button. Friends, file appended successfully, messages appeared on the screen. Now friends, I check into employee data JSON file. You can see data whichever you have entered. So friends, this is my video on how to append data to JSON data file using PHP. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video, you can comment on this video. I will reply on your comment. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.